So my name is Benjamin Bory, and I am the You will benefit the most from using NANOFABRICATOR LITE if you work in the sector of material development applied to a specific industry. The extreme value of this tool is the ability to save enormous amount of times when you develop your materials. If we look at R&D customers in academia, then you can make the work you used to do with a student in 1 year, in 1 week, which means more published papers if you are in academia, for example. But if you are in the industry, it might mean that suddenly, instead of investigating for material for a year for an application, then you would have just 1 week for describing this material and being able to screen through a large amount of material in 6 months, essentially, to tailor it to your specific application and not be stuck with whatever was developed previously.